Very good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll discuss about article writing. It's basically to forward one's ideas. It may be defined as a short piece of non-fiction material, usually based on a topic or an issue that can be discussed. It's meant for the general public to read. It may be written for a newspaper or for a magazine. A good article should have ideas, presentation of the ideas, and language of the presentation. Ideas, it means your own opinion. Presentation of the ideas, the way of the presentation, how you deal with your ideas. Language of the presentation, it's very important, so it should be very attractive. There are some important points that you need to keep in your mind before writing an article. First one is understand what is asked in the article to be written. Just think about that particular topic. Second is understand to whom you are writing the article. For school magazine or for newspaper, basically who are the readers? What is the aim of writing the article? Third point is think of the positive and negative aspects and organize your points. You just have to think the positive and negative points of that topic, then organize your points. You just have to think what will be written first and what will follow. And the last, think how to conclude. Okay, so here you can see it is a format. So very first you have to write the title. It should be in center. It should be given in a phrase giving the gist of the topic. Name of the writer, author. This part mentions the name of the writer, author. For example, if you are writing the article, that means you have to write your own name. And you can see there are 3 paragraphs. First paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph. So first one is introductory paragraph. It should focus on the issue to be discussed, to be described. Second is main paragraph. It should provide the statements or concrete facts to support the points raised. And the last one is concluding paragraph. It should provide the solution, the offer, the suggestion. Okay, I think this is very much clear to all of you. Thank you.